Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to add NFC card to iPhone. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over to your settings app, and once you're inside your settings, what you need to do is scroll down and then tap on general. And once you tap on general, inside general there you'll be seeing an option that says NFC, right? Simply tap on that, and now once you're inside NFC, make sure this NFC option is toggled on because it is the most essential part of this process. So once that's done, what you need to do is head over to your home and then open up shortcuts. And once you're inside your shortcuts, what you need to do is simply tap on this plus icon on the top right corner of the screen to create an automation. Now once you do that, simply tap on create personal automation. And once you're inside here, what you need to do is scroll down until you find the NFC option and then tap on it. And once you're inside here, what you need to do is just simply tap on the scan option. And once you tap that, all you gotta do now is hold your NFC card near to your phone and it will be registered, and that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.